It's Medicare Monday, and Mike Hitcho from Hitcho Insurance Agency joins us. And Mike, this is very specific. On Monday, September 9th, from 6 a.m. to 11 a.m., Hitcho Insurance Agency will be hosting an open house to the public. I thought that was a typo. That's very early. What is that about, the 6 a.m. to 11 a.m.?
It's very early. So basically what's taking place is Bobby Gunther Walsh of 790 AM Radio will be broadcasting his radio show in our office. Okay, his radio show starts at 5 a.m. We're going to have open house from 6 to 10 a.m. or 6 to 11 a.m. And the reason is to benefit a charity that is near and dear to not only him, but also myself, and being a veteran. And that organization is Folds of Honor.
So talk about Folds of Honor.
So what Folds of Honor does, okay, nonprofit organization that supplies scholarships to family members of either fallen veterans, fallen first responders, or disabled veterans and disabled first responders. A lot of those funds that go to the scholarships, okay, anywhere from pre-K all the way up, if you wanted to get a PhD, you know, think of the children, spouses, a lot of that money stays here in the Valley, okay? First of all the money stays within Pennsylvania and New Jersey, but last year 160 scholarships were given out by the local chapter here in the Valley. So talk about helping our community.
That's incredible. And also sometimes these people are the ones that are forgotten about.
Right.
The family members.
Right.
And so how wonderful. I'm thinking that a lot of our viewers are watching right now and wondering, you know, oh, they might not be able to make it at 6 a.m. That's a little early. Or, you know, they're getting the kids off to school or something. But how do they contribute if they want to, you know, contribute?
Well, first of all, we do hope that they could come by.
Sure.
Okay,
yep.
We're going to have some breakfast sandwiches.
Oh, good. Okay.
Some fruit, coffee, water. So, you know, skip your normal morning breakfast routine.
Okay.
Come out. But regardless whether you bring a check in hand there or a credit card that day, if you do want to donate, you could send a check to our agency, okay? Make the check payable to Folds of Honor, not our agency. But my agency is located at 1245 South Cedar Crest Boulevard, Suite 202. Allentown, 18103.
And a lot of people haven't even gotten to see a live radio show. That might be, you know, it's like if you listen to him, that's one thing, but to be there and to experience it, plus you said it means a lot to you. You're a veteran and you really wanted to give something back to the community.
Yes, yes, absolutely. In fact, every month we do make a donation with some of our profits. If you check our Facebook page, a lot of times we'll post up there what we're giving funds to. So a lot of animal shelters, veterans, societies, things like that.
Mike, you're wonderful. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks, Liz.
As always, on Community Connection.
Thank you.